Hey, what's up you guys? This is Kat from Old Redding Farm. Thanks for joining me. You stuck with me today. I am going to show you what's going on in the flower farm. I'm going to show you how the ranunculus are doing. And we are going to unbox dahlia tubers from Swan Island Dahlias and astilbe bare roots from White Flower Farm. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is what the flower farm looks like. We've had multiple people come out and be like, oh, are you guys trying to put in a fish pond? And we're like, no. So there is definitely some water problems here. Look at how bad that is. But where the ranunculus are above the high water level, which is good. So this is how they're looking. They look pretty healthy, pretty good. I think I probably planted them too close together, but that's okay. And John has been, if it's getting below freezing, he's been pulling this frost cloth up over to keep them safe. So we probably haven't lost any to frost, which has been really nice because there have been some really cold nights. So these are going good. I mean, I've never grown ranunculus before, but they look good. They're nice and green and healthy. They look better than my indoor seedlings. My indoor seedlings just look like hell. It's like, they're so bad. Oh, sorry, I'm getting my feet wet. So we've talked a little bit, but like our house is really old. It's really drafty. So inside of our house, there have been nights where it's like below freezing downstairs where our lights are. And then the other thing that I'm doing, we have those like really, really, really bright lights that I actually did like an unboxing for. And I think they might actually be like too bright, which is crazy to say. But part of the reason why that is because sometimes I forget to turn the lights off, like overnight when we go to sleep. So sometimes they're under light 24/7, which is not good for them. So John is off at a coop build for a friend. And I am here to let out the chickens. So I'm going to do that quickly. And then we'll go do that unboxing. So I don't think we've really shown these in a video. These are our Tolbunt Polish. I've been after these birds for the absolute longest time. I think they're 100% the coolest looking birds I've ever seen. Look at that rooster. Is he not fantastic? So she just started laying eggs. Bang. And every egg that we're getting out of them, we're incubating. So it's really exciting. I'm so excited to have more. So chickens are all out. Also on my agenda today while John is out, I'm going to put fresh pine shavings in all those coops. And when I come back to do that, I'll fill up all their feeders. But right now, let's go unbox those dahlia tubers. I'm so excited. These came from White Flower Farm. These are astilbes. They actually have a display garden in Connecticut that I really want to go to maybe once the season is a little bit further. So we got this. Oh, planting bare root plants. So we've got a little instruction sheet and I will do my best to follow those. This is my invoice. So the reason I got these is because somebody that I dog walk for actually gave me a gift card to this place for Christmas. So very thankful for that. They were a little pricey, but I'm happy to have them. Ooh, look at that, healthy. So this is what they look like. So I've got all those hydrangea plants that John planted for me. I saved all the cans that those came in. So I think I'm gonna pot these up, though I could probably plant them right into the ground. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to put them. My original thought had been where the blueberries are going that we were just down looking at. I was gonna put them like along the very back stone wall to like soften the stone wall and put something, you know, pretty in the blueberry area. Whew. Holy guacamole. Okay. So this is the root down here. This is the plant. So I've got 3 of this variety, which is a Stilby RNDC Phenol. So 3 of those. And what I did, because, you know, this girl loves herself a variety pack. They had variety packs where you could get like all the Astilbes that they offer for like a better price than buying individually exactly what you want. And like, I don't really care, you know, I was just like, plants, yay. And so Astilbes put up these like really pretty flower spikes. Maybe I'll put a picture on the screen, and they can tolerate some shade. So it's nice to have an option to have some color that offers a little bit of shade. So this one is called Bridal Veil. So 1, 2, 3 bridal veils. These look so healthy. Oh gosh. It looks like I ordered these such a long time ago, like right as soon as I got this gift card, I was like, yay, order placed. So it looks like I've got 4 different varieties, 3 in each. This one is called Rhineland. It almost looks like I could spread this one into 2 if I was feeling greedy. Look good. These are made out of plastic and they're printed on. So, oh look, it says rose pink, June through July, 18 to 24 inches tall, part shade, moist, well-drained soil. It's nice to have those plastic tag things because I can put those right with the plant to try to help remember like what I planted and where. Oh, here. Okay. I thought for a second I only had 2. So 1, 2, 3, and this one is called Peach Blossom. Ooh, so that says light rose, June through July, 24 to 28 inches tall. So taller. Interesting. Okay. So, how many cans do we get? We got 14 of those hydrangeas, so I have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So, I will do that, and I'll do that later. Right now, ooh, these are so cute. They look like little sea creatures. Okay, I'm gonna unbox these dahlias now. Okay, so we have bought dahlias from Swan Island Dahlias every year for the past at least 3, maybe 4. They send in the most beautiful quality tubers of anywhere I've ever seen. If you go to like a Lowe's or Home Depot, they're gonna sell you a clump of dahlia tubers, and 9 times out of 10, let's say, those are machine harvested overseas and then packed in peat and just shipped off. What Swan Island Dahlia does is, you know, whether they're machine harvested or hand harvested, I don't personally know that, but then each tuber is divided by a professional who can really see, like good tuber, good eye, good neck, and then they send you one individual, very healthy, guaranteed to grow tuber. Because those machine harvested clumps that come in from like your Lowe's and Home Depot, lots of times the necks will all be broken on those and they just look like, oh, they look so bad. Okay, so this is how they're coming packed. They are in, looks like peat maybe. The names of the tuber varieties are stamped on the tuber, which is nice. And they also, oh, these were my free gift with purchase. So, if you need the most beautiful catalog that you'll ever see, highly recommend. They send it for free. But usually by the time the catalog comes out though, lots of the varieties are sold out, so get on this early. Oh, Myrtle's Folly, yay! I grew that one last year and it was like my absolute favorite. Wow, I got 5 Myrtle's Folly. I was feeling greedy the day that I placed this order. This has a sticker on it that says I'm small, but I am mighty and strong. And I can actually see roots growing on it, so I know that that's true. I probably won't individually unwrap all of these on camera just because I got so many. Oh, okay. This is what I'm talking about with Swan Island. You see that they stamp the name right on the tuber? Very apparent, very clear growth point, right? That. And look, already has roots. Just like, this is the perfect tuber, even though this one's a small one, but that's okay. I'm not gonna unbox all of these because I think I'm gonna tray these up. But, so I'll show you what I did though. Swan Island offers these collections. So they group together dahlias that they think will be good in a collection. This is the cut flower collection. I got 3 of these, and then this is the palm collection. I also got 3 of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll have 3 of each of these 5 varieties. And let me show one tuber from here. So in the dahlia world, a lot of people like go crazy about collecting individual varieties, like having the absolute most special version of whatever they can find. And I can be like that, but also like I like just a variety. Here is Black Beauty. You can see it's already growing out of the growth points. And these nice little roots. And last year was the first year that Swan Island Dahlias did this, so I was really hoping they would do it again. They gave us these plastic printed tags, so it's going to make knowing what I planted and where a lot easier. So I'm really glad that they started doing this. Okay, everything's all planted. Pepper helped. So I've got 2 trays that are the palms, 3 trays that are the cut flower, and then that tray on the very end are the ones that survived. Ironically, the best growth of anything is coming from the survivor. So dahlias, and then I did 3 of each of the astilbes in one pot just to conserve dirt. So that's going to do it for this video. We appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.